are bulls really getting tired in the Indian stock markets? Amit, what is your research telling you specifically? What do you have for us?
No.
And where are the bulls going to reach from here?
So we have had a bullish year. All the studies tell us that. But the last 1 month, we saw a sharp fall one of the days. And after that, it has not really picked up to that much. So the news was, or the commentary was, that now it's going towards the bears.
Okay.
But if I can go to the PE ratios,
yeah,
most of the sectors, their current PE ratios are higher than their 5-year medians. So the price to earning ratios for the currently are higher than what their average is over the last 5 years. Bar some, most of them are in that space. Now, if we put this table along with the weighted moving averages, if we can have that, and see that we have taken a comparison between the 200-day weighted moving averages of most of these sectors and the current. Most of them, the current weighted moving averages is more than their 200-day. Not all of them, but most of them. So the indication is that the bears are not really taking over the market. It's really still with the bulls, but only probably they're waiting and watching. Kush, what is your take on that? Are the bulls tired? Are they still waiting? Or is it going to head towards the bears up to the elections?
Well, so my broad general assessment is that we are in a bull run. And what happens is that, in bull runs, you do have these sharp, sharp down moves, which perhaps, makes you think, makes you shudder at times. But I think other than that, there isn't much into it. See, even if Nifty falls another 1,000-1,500 points from here, will that view change? I don't think so. We've had a sharp run up. We've had a good run up, especially in the mid cap and small cap names. And if you see there too, once the froth came off, the stocks are actually starting to move higher. This is the exact setup that we'll see on Nifty as well, perhaps in some of these large cap names as well. So while for, the next week or two, we look at, 21,800 to 22,000 as the broad range, we do believe that there is a pre-election rally that might kick in, perhaps take the indices to a higher level, and that could be the near-term top for the market. But even if that happens, even if, let's say, for a quarter or so, the market doesn't really go anywhere, that is just a bull market consolidation that we're looking at. So for me, anyone that's looking at the markets from, let's say, a 12 to 24 month kind of a horizon, these dips will very much be buying opportunities. And you're right to say that the bulls haven't really given way. It's just that intermittent, we're giving those happy moments and something to cheer about to the bears as well along the way.